If you are planning a wedding or attending a formal event during this pandemic, this DIY glam face shield is a definite must-have. I was tagged in this photo so many times as it went viral. I absolutely loved it, so I decided to DIY a budget-friendly version of it for you guys using items from the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, and Michael's. So be sure to check that out as I will link it above. Now, if you're looking for how to DIY a face mask using items from the Dollar Tree, this is the video you definitely want to stay tuned for. Now, in my opinion, the shield without the mask is not very effective, so I definitely wanted to include that for you guys as well. I got the mask from the Dollar Tree. It was 2 of them for $1, so it's extremely budget friendly. And I also purchased the other piece from Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99 with 40% off. So it ended up being around, it was less than $3. And I just added the pearls and the bling on each side. And you guys see how it turned out. It looked absolutely fabulous. And I definitely want to share with you guys how you can DIY this mask for your wedding or for your event. And yeah, I just hate the fact that the mask has taken away my lipstick. Okay. So I got these pieces from Hobby Lobby. They were $5.99. They come 2 in a pack. And then I used my 40% off coupon, which made them like $1.79 each. And then of course I got this mask from the Dollar Tree. They come 2 in a pack for $1, so they were 50 cents each. So if you are keeping up, you can do this mask for less than $3. So we're just gonna add a little bit of glue onto this and then a few pearls. I'm gonna wait for my glue gun to heat back up, and then we'll go in and just add a few, scattered diamonds and stuff like that, because I just want to keep this part of it relatively simple. And again, you can get these masks at the Dollar Tree and if you want to do a cloth white mask, definitely feel free. I was just looking for items that I know you guys could find and you could DIY them relatively inexpensively. So yeah, I love this applique, and of course I would hot glue it so I could use it again on something else. And I'm just going to add a few pearls. I'm going to keep this design just simple because I just, I think that you need a mask under the shield. I know some people don't. To each his own. That's just my personal opinion. So don't come for me in the comments, okay?
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Alright, so we're going to try this all on and let you guys see it. So stay tuned.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you how to DIY a bling mask from the Dollar Tree. If you are not getting married and you know a bride, please just click the share button, copy the link, and text it out to everyone that you know is getting married. They can definitely DIY everything that I showed you guys in this video for $25 or less. So thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!